Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to record a Google Meet video call on your mobile, with audio included. This is perfect for classes, interviews, or meetings you want to save. Let's get started! Step 1. Most phones have built-in screen recorders. For Android, swipe down to open Quick Settings and tap Screen Recorder. Step 2. Open the Google Meet app and join the meeting you want to record. Step 3. Before or right after joining the call, start the screen recording. Keep your phone steady and make sure your mic is close if you're using microphone audio. Step 4. Once the meeting is done, stop the screen recording. The video will be saved to your phone's gallery or screen recordings folder. Bonus tip: if your device doesn't support internal audio recording, you can use apps like X Recorder or ADV Screen Recorder on Android or DU Recorder for iOS. Just make sure you grant all permissions. And that's how to record a Google Meet video call on mobile with audio. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more useful tech tips. See you next time!